In this lesson, we're going to discuss API integrations, which are essential for allowing different applications to communicate with each other in a cloud-based environment. APIs, or application programming interfaces, allow developers to connect different applications and services, providing a seamless user experience. This is especially important in the cloud, where applications and services may be spread across different platforms and providers. First, it is important to understand what APIs are and how they work. APIs are a set of rules and protocols that define how different software applications should interact with one another. APIs enable the exchange of data and information between different applications, allowing them to communicate and work together seamlessly. In essence, an API acts as an intermediary, enabling one application to access the functionality of another. In the cloud, APIs play a crucial role in enabling different services and applications to work with one another. Cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, or AWS, and Microsoft Azure provide APIs that enable developers to access the various services and resources available on their platforms. These APIs allow developers to easily connect their applications to cloud services, such as databases, storage, and computing resources. One of the main benefits of API integrations in the cloud is the ability to leverage the resources and services available on different platforms. APIs enable developers to easily integrate their applications with cloud services without having to build these services from scratch. This not only saves time and resources, but it also enables developers to build more complex and innovative applications by combining the functionality of different services. Another benefit of API integration in the cloud is the ability to scale applications quickly and easily. Cloud services are designed to be highly scalable with the ability to add and remove resources as needed. By integrating applications with cloud services through APIs, developers can take advantage of the scalability, allowing the applications to quickly adapt to changing demands and workloads. When it comes to implementing API integrations in the cloud, there are a few best practices to keep in mind. First and foremost, it is important to design APIs that are easy to use and understand. APIs should have clear documentation and be intuitive to use with well-defined inputs and outputs. This will make it easier for developers to integrate their applications with cloud services and ensure a seamless user experience. Security is also an important consideration when implementing API integrations in the cloud. Cloud service providers often provide security features such as authentication and encryption that can be used to secure API connections. It is important to use these features to ensure that the API connections are secure and that sensitive data is protected. Finally, it is important to choose the right cloud service provider for your API integration needs. Different providers offer different services and resources, and it is important to choose one that best meets the needs of your application. It is also important to consider factors such as cost, scalability, and support when selecting a cloud service provider. So, again, API integrations are a critical component when it comes to modern software development, and it's essential in the cloud. APIs enable developers to connect different applications and services, providing a seamless user experience and enabling innovation. When implementing API integrations into the cloud, it is important to follow best practices, such as designing easy-to-use APIs and ensuring security. By doing so, developers can take advantage of the resources and scalability offered by cloud services and build more complex and innovative applications.